Hey everybody, had to redo this video because I screwed up not just the original notes, but then we re-recorded it, Mr. Wilfred and I had us on mute. So that was super unfortunate. So Wilfred, say hi.
Hi everyone.
Hi, okay, so we are on type 5. Hold on, I don't like highlighting in yellow. Type 5 factor 4 terms. Now, I know everybody remembers how to factor 4 terms, but let's go ahead and remind them. Step 1, we have to set everything
Equal to 0.
That's correct. So what should we do to both sides?
Add 2x to the third.
Oh my goodness.
And minus 30.
All right, watch out, folks. I'm about to lose my job. You're going to replace me someday, aren't you? I think you're old enough. I'm old enough,
Yep.
probably. I'll retire in about 15. All right, so what do we get over here? Well, you tell me, what do we get?
We get 2x to the power of 3 plus 12x squared minus 5x minus 30.
Notice how I didn't forget the squared on that one like I did in my other video. Oh, I should have asked you, what does it equal?
0.
Yeah, my bad. All right, now I know you're a grouper, but that's too bad because a lot of the kids who watch my video are boxers. So this is 4 terms. So there's not like, we don't have to do like the ACB chart, which is kind of nice. We just throw it straight into the box. So what goes in the top left?
2x to the power of 3.
Good. Mr. Culligan, I'm recording. He's so loud, folks. What goes in the bottom right box?
Negative 30.
Wow, that was really loud, wasn't it? Okay, what goes in the catty quarter boxes?
Negative 5x. And 12x squared.
Good. He doesn't know, but he'll be on there forever. All right, so I'm not redoing this again. All right, now boxing people, we find GCFs here and here. Can you tell me what those GCFs are?
X. And 6.
That's good. And GCF here and here.
2x squared.
Good.
And negative 5.
Good. Why don't you shut that door behind you because he's not stopping. I'm just joking. He stopped. I'm such a jerk. All right. Now we're going to write this in factored form. That's just pretty language for put it in parentheses and set equal to 0. What would that be in factored form?
X plus 6.
And
2x squared minus 5.
All right. Now, which one's easier to solve?
X plus 6.
That's right. And so we'll set it equal to
0.
That's right. And that's okay. We are recording, just so you know. Perfect.
Is that yours?
No. Thank you, though. All right. How do we solve this from here?
We subtract the 6 from the left.
Good.
On both sides.
And what do we get?
X equals negative 6.
Is that real or imaginary?
Real.
That's right. That is as real as your name, Wilfred. So we'll write X equals negative 6 right there. Now, Wilfred, we have this other one to solve for. Pick a color.
Green.
All right. Green like cash money. That's right. I did just say that. So we're going to do what with this one?
We are going to set it equal to 0.
Now, if you want to, we could do the quadratic formula. Do you want to do the quadratic formula?
Nope.
No, I didn't think you would. Update. Okay, here we go. So you're telling me I don't need to do the quadratic formula because I could do what?
Add 5.
All right, so that gives me a positive 5 when I add 5. I'll show that just in case somebody's wondering. And
then divide by 2 on both sides.
that's correct. Now, we could get a decimal, but decimals don't make anyone happy, so we'll just leave it as 5/2. But that's not our answer, because what do we have to do now?
We have to square root everything.
And
add a plus and minus on the right side.
now, we could rationalize this. We could write it as the square root of 5 over the square root of 2 and rationalize it, But to be honest with you, if you get this far today, I'm pretty darn happy. So we'll solve that. How are those real or imaginary?
Real.
That is correct.
Real.
I knew you were going to say that. Remember, as real as your money. So in green, we have a positive. I should write them separately. Don't you think that would be nice? A square root of 5 over 2 and a negative square root of 5 over 2. Now, I wonder how I could verify these. Maybe I could use like a graphing calculator. Don't you think we could do that? Yep, that's exactly what you were thinking. And if I got lucky, I still have it there. I bet I don't. I bet you I don't. I bet I got rid of it. There's your equation right there, highlighting it in red. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to go to y equals, clear all that stuff out. 2x to the third power plus 12x squared minus 5x. This is the best video we've ever made. Minus 30. Everybody at home wishes this would happen every day. Now, I'm going to fix my window. Zoom. I want it to be square. Let's try that one. Oh, dear. I might have to edit this out. There's a lot of stuff happening right now.
Maybe Z standard.
Standard. Thank you. I'll keep that in there. So that way I look like an idiot and you look really smart, which you are. All right, now I'm going to I learned how smart I was, right? I'm going to take a screenshot of that. You know why? Because I really want to focus in on this graph. What do you think this is right here?
-6.
That's right. It's right. That was one of our solutions. What do you think this one is?
-5/2.
The square root of 5. Yep,
The
yep, yep.
square-
And what do you think that one is?
The square root of 5/2.
That's right. So look how clever we are. We're even gonna we're gonna be picture perfect. We can insert that so we have a beautiful visual. Now it's not necessary, but I do think that it's nice to see. So there is a visual of your answer. So how did I know at the very get-go that I was gonna have 3 solutions down here?
Because the leading term, the exponent is 3.
That is correct. There it is, folks, right there. That 3 right there is why. I think we did a phenomenal job, don't you think?
Yep.
And it's not wrong anymore, so I know I'm happy. All right, say goodbye, Wilford.
Bye, everyone.